Useful tips and tricks to quit snoring. If you snore while you sleep and people around you find this annoying, then you want to have a look through this video. Snoring is something that you can learn to reduce while you sleep. A lot of people don't know this, yet what you read ahead is going to show you how. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. Quit smoking, or drastically cut back to stop snoring. Smoking causes all sorts of damage to your respiratory system and other parts of your body. If you are a heavy smoker, smoking might actually be the cause of your snoring problem. Quit smoking to stop the snoring and live a healthier lifestyle. Keep hydrated to avoid snoring. Snoring can be caused by your nasal passages producing thicker mucus. This is caused by being dehydrated. It is recommended that you get at least 64 ounces of water per day to reduce snoring. One trick that many spouses have learned when they have to sleep with a snorer is to nudge them until they turn over on their side. The change in position will often alleviate the problem, at least temporarily. While it is no fun to have to constantly nudge your spouse, sometimes that is the only way you can get to sleep. So now that you have a better idea about how to get rid of your snoring while you sleep, you should start to feel a bit more optimistic about reducing the amount of snoring you do while you sleep. Just remember that it takes time. Don't expect to see results right away, and you should notice a difference soon. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.